This is Empress of the Seas, October 7th sailing, cabin number 4038, standard ocean view cabin. Alright, let's get started quickly in the restroom. Pretty standard. Does have the shower curtain. Shelving on the side. Which most of the time the shelving is on the mirror, but looks like they got it on the side. It does have the gel and shower curtain. Alright, let's go over to the closet. I just walked in the room. We got a safe here. Hangers. Looks like more hangers, which I don't think I've ever seen this, but these are like regular hangers at home. Next we got the vanity area. Some drawers on the side, the top. More little shelving all around the mirror, which is great for like sunscreen, I guess hairspray. Welcome aboard cookies. You have the climate control. And then now we'll go into the cabin. You actually have a couple more shelves here. New flat screen TVs. And then here's the bed. You can split it if you're sharing the cabin and put the two nightstands in the center. But on this sailing, I am by myself, so I'll keep it as is. But this is cabin 4038, standard ocean view, Empress of the Seas.